Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. I got a package in the mail here. This is a little bit heavy. Alright. This is really cool. LCD battery charger with built-in cable for AA's, AAA's, nickel metal hydroxide, NiCad rechargeable batteries, fast charger. And EBL batteries, 2300 milliamp hour batteries. What I'm excited about here in this device, I can get that open. Oh, there. I was wondering, wait, there's no cable? Yeah, there is. Wow, it's built into the, it folds in. What I love about this, and I'm excited about this, it is USB chargeable. And even it was a built-in cable. Look at that. And the thing that's frustrating about having batteries on vacation or on the go, rechargeable batteries, is you can't plug them in without an AC power port. You can plug these into your car and charge on the go. I like that a lot. Also, this is from the same company that sent me the PowerAd Pro charger that I just finished reviewing. So what's awesome is I'm going to be able to charge these anywhere at any time. How cool is that? I mean, just having the USB charging capability. There's another plug there. I'm going to have to look at what that is. 2300 milliamp hour. Not bad. AA's. They're not lightweight. You can tell, like your dollar store batteries are lightweight. These are definitely got some heft to them, which is good. So this has a 500 milliamp output, which is good. For these batteries, that would mean, what? 4, just under 5 hours charging time, so it's not too brutal and harsh on the batteries. I like that. The micro USB port is an optional input port, or you can use the built-in USB cable that comes with it. Interesting that they have extra. I also like, one thing, it's got an LCD display, but also you can charge anywhere from 1 to 8 pieces independently. I like that. I hate when you have to have pairs of batteries. This, you can charge anywhere from 1, 2, 3 to 8. I like that a lot. Well, I'm going to get these all set up and we'll see how it works. So, let's hook this up to a USB power source and get these batteries charged up. See how this thing works out. I have a USB docking station here. Okay. Oh, everything came on and then it blinked off. Alright, let's get some batteries in here and see what happens. Oh, I see there's AA. There's two different positions. One for double and one for triple. Does that show up? Yes, it does. Alright, I'll get the other 4 on there and we'll get them charged up. So they are shipped in a discharged state. Alright, I got all 8 batteries charging and we'll let this run and top them off. And we'll be back later. Well, they're all done. This was a pretty quick charger actually. So now we're going to run these through some tests. See how long these 2300 milliamp hour batteries hold out. Bad weather recently, so I wanted to quickly discharge the EBL batteries somewhere. So I hooked him up to a unique electronics device. For those of you interested, you can find it on my electronics channel, the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. But anyway, the point of this is that I'm pushing about 75 milliamps of power continuously through this device because I want to just fast drain them, and charging another set of lithium batteries rated at 12 volts. So I've got 6 volts over here going through a unique thing, but most of you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to discharge these, and then I can recharge them because my camera doesn't discharge them fast enough, my photo camera, and 2300 milliamps is a lot of power. I needed something to take that down quicker. Over here I have 3 more of the batteries in a lantern on high just to run them down, and then we can continue on with our experiments. Well, the batteries over there are being discharged. I'm going to try this out with a different brand of AAAs and see how this works out. And I'm going to mix and match and put them in different slots at random. Look at that, totally random mixture there, combination. I like that. I like a charger that is smart, literally smart, and can do pretty much anything. Oops, that one's not connected right. Maybe I got a bad battery. There we go. Again, it shows its smartness. It told me that battery wasn't in right. Well, they're topped off nicely. Well, here in the truck out in the field, I'm going to try something really cool. I recently have reviewed the PowerAd Pro portable power bank, and the same company has sent me this. So same company, and my truck cigarette lighters have blown for some odd and unidentifiable reason, maybe a wire, but there's no accessory wire, power in this truck. So this is going to be great, but for smaller devices on the go, having a USB charger is going to be amazing. So I've got my batteries. I'm going to set this up. I'm one-handed because I'm out in the truck, and I'm going to pop the batteries in here, and we'll be back in a minute. So I've got the batteries in here, and I've got the cord out. I cannot do this one-handed. I'm going to plug this in. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. I'm going to plug this into here, and we're going to charge these batteries on the go using the power bank. There we are. We are charging the batteries on the go. Mobile charging with the PowerAd Pro mobile power bank. That is really awesome to be able to charge AA and AAA batteries anywhere you go. They both complement each other very, very nicely. I like it. So now I'm always going to have batteries from cameras and devices. My daughter Michelle, she's got all kinds of electronics that need batteries on the go, and they keep eating those batteries. Now we're never going to have to worry again. Only all are charged up except for 3. I'm down to 16% on the battery pack, and it looks like for on the go you can keep your batteries going. 8 batteries you could probably charge on a single charge on this. So it gives you essentially the equivalent of 16 batteries on the go, which is pretty good. And that's a lot of capacity, 2,300 each. Actually, when I went back and checked this again, they were completely filled, topped off, and the power bank was at 10%. So all was good. We're back at the homestead now, and this has served me well on a trip out away from home and kept our devices running. I love having a portable smart USB charger with the ability to charge any batteries in any combination here. So I can do 1, 2, 3, or 8 or whatever in any slot. And that is really good because some of those lamps, well, the one I showed in the demonstration, uses 3 batteries. And it's very awkward to charge 3 batteries with a lot of chargers out there. So this is really awesome. Having it 5-volt USB is another really great feature, because that means I can pretty much charge my batteries anywhere, everywhere. And the power bank can be charged by solar, and then you can recharge your AA's or AAA's with the USB port on that. So it really expands your capabilities on the go. Anyway, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Check out the links below. I'll put the links down for these and for the power bank. Talk to y'all later.